Hi guys, good day. This is Jay from Pageant Trend, and now I'm here with one of the most gorgeous and beautiful candidates of Mrs. Face of Tourism Philippines 2024. Walang iba kundi si Madam Lord Jean. Hi!
Hi.
Ayan, so batiin po muna natin ang ating mga viewers.
Hello. Good evening, everyone.
All right, Madam Lord Jean, you had already meet all the pageant medias
Yes.
and you had your mini press conference. So, how do you feel right now that the competition is nearly?
Medyo kabado
Uh-huh.
at busy sa pag-prepare ng mga isusuot.
Mhm.
And then, for the first time, nag-enroll ako para sa modeling.
Oh,
Walk.
oh.
Yeah, kasi hindi ako marunong maglakad eh.
Mhm.
Yeah, yun. Once a week.
So, prior of joining this competition, Madam, what do you do po?
I do exercise.
Mhm.
I go to fitness first to make me fit and healthy. And then, I start my diet activities. So, para medyo lumiit ng konti.
Talking to your personal background, ano po yung pinagkakabalahan niya sa buhay?
I have my own maternity medical clinic.
Oh.
Yun ang pinagkakaabalahan ko. Kung gusto niyo magpa-prenatal sa akin, pag nabuntis ka, ako magpapaanak sa'yo, no pain.
We all know that Mrs. Pageant is mahirap and it takes a village, of course, to win the crown.
Yes, I know
So
that.
for you, if you are given a chance to be crowned as the next Mrs. Face of Tourism Philippines, what is the first thing you will do?
First thing kong gagawin ay magpasalamat kay Lord. And then sa family ko, sa friends, sa support nilang lahat. And then sa inyong lahat,
Mhm.
pasalamat at magbibigay ako ng big party.
Wow, bong.
Thank you.
Oh,
Victory party.
may pa-victory party si Madam.
Victory party.
Okay. Sa preparations mo naman, kamusta naman po?
Ang preparation ko, balance daily life, and then maintaining focus and what do you call this? Less stress. Managing stress.
Mhm.
Yeah.
And syempre, maraming magtatanong sa ating mga viewers or fans ng Mrs. Face of Tourism, how do you maintain your beautiful face and youngness? Diba?
Yun lang. Kahit may problema, tatawa mo pa rin.
Mhm.
And then, punta rin sa mga beauty parlor para maging fresh and beauty. At saka, inom din ng vitamins. Kasi nagde-take ako ng vitamins. Tapos, nag-gym ako palagi sa fitness first.
Mhm.
Yung coach ko, kinukulit na ako ngayon kasi lagi ako absent kasi
Mhm.
busy ako dito sa pageant.
How about food?
Yeah, I started my diet activities since I think it's about 2 weeks. No rice.
Wow.
Tinutokso ako na yung pamangkin ko si Ranyo, yung nagbibideo, tsaka yung staff ko si Vanessa na mag-rice ako kahit konti, pero hindi nila ako matutokso. No, ayoko kasi para lumiit ang tiyan ko.
Oh,
Yeah.
correct. So no rice talaga. No
No
rice policy.
Yeah, no rice
Diba?
policy.
Sorry, anong waistline mo?
Kasi dalawa tape measure ko. Yung isang tape measure ko, 24.
Mhm.
Pero doon sa isang tape measure na binili ko sa National, 29.
So ano yung favorite mo tape?
Favorite ko yung 24. Binili ko yan sa SM, sa National, hindi siya sa bookstore ng ng SM. Tawag dito?
Mhm.
Yun, doon. Madaya yung kanilang tape measure. Pero gusto ko yun kasi size 24 ako doon.
Correct.
Yes.
Well, anyway, Madam, we all know that you are, of course, a Mrs. And despite of having hectic schedules and a lot of responsibilities, what's the main reason why you joined this competition?
Kasi as you can see sa Facebook page ko, mahilig ako mag-travel.
Mhm.
Nainganyo sumali dito para kasi ang namin advocacy namin kasama yung traveling.
So
So
promote.
yun, at saka para ma-promote din yung ganda ng Pilipinas.
Exactly. So more on promoting the
Yeah.
Philippines,
Yeah.
and as well as promoting yourself, of course. Diba? Ayun. And yung mga kamag-anak mo are watching right now, what's your message to them?
Message ko sa inyo ay supportahan niyo akong lahat para manalo ang Quezon City. Serious na to, para manalo ang Quezon City. Kasi dala-dala ko ang Quezon City. Sana supportahan niyo akong lahat sa lahat ng aking kaibigan sa Facebook. Kahit yung ayaw ako. Hindi, joke lang.
Mga bashers.
Mga bashers ko, love ko kayong lahat. Kaya walang nabablock sa akin kasi love ko silang lahat. Yeah, yun. Suporta lang sa inyo, yun ang hiling ko. Maraming salamat.
And syempre, if there is an online voting for this competition, you may promote it.
Yeah, watch by September 1, may online voting. Please vote for me. And I was representing Quezon City, please.
So where can they vote?
By online?
Mhm.
Online voting.
So just head on Mrs. Face of Tourism
Yeah.
Philippines Facebook page.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Sige. Thank you so much, madam.
Thank you so much.
How about your social media platforms also? You can promote it here. Where can they follow you?
Just follow me at Lorgin Gonzalez Galvez. And also, I have my LGC Care Maternity Medical page. Please like my business
All right.
page.
Thank you so much,
to all.
madam.
Thank
And
you so much.
best of luck sa journey mo sa Mrs.
Thank
Face
you
of
so
Tourism Philippines. And ayan guys, please don't forget to vote for her and support her journey to Mrs. Face of Tourism Philippines sa 2024. Maraming salamat for watching, guys.
Thank you so much.
Before that, of course, please subscribe us on our YouTube channel and follow us on our Instagram account at Pageant Trend Official _ and as well as our Facebook page, Pageant Trend and Pageant Trend Philippines. Maraming salamat guys for watching. See you on my next video. Bye-bye.
Thank you.